Dun, 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 dun. Every once in a while, you might run into a little monster like this, but not that she's a monster. No, no, no. Look at the print. Can't you see that? Pay attention now. Don't panic. Everything's okay. It's quite possible that all you need is a print head cleaning. So the other error that you might notice that would indicate that might be a bizarre color shift. Everybody's purple or green or something like that. Let me show you how very simple it is if you run into one of these things to do a print head cleaning, and I'll show you how it's done. All right. All right. I'm going to go up here into print and select the printer I'm working with. Click on Options and Printer Properties. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to print a nozzle check test pattern. And it's just a good idea to make sure that that's truly what your problem is before you go through all of the trouble and hassle of actually having to clean the print heads. So let's print one of those out. All right, so once you get your test pattern, what you're going to want to do is compare it with what you see here on the screen. And of course, good. Here there are no gaps in the little test pattern, and you can see where it'll give you an example of cleaning needed, where you can see that there are little gaps that appear in the test pattern. So look at your printout and see which one it looks like. If there's any pieces missing, it looks like it's time to run a head cleaning. So all you'd have to do is click on Clean, and then click Start. One more thing. Right before you hit finish, you've got the option to print another test pattern. I recommend doing this just to make sure that there's no little gaps or anything left over. So check the test pattern, and once it's all pretty, you can get rid of I'm a scary photo, and you can replace it with, oh, hello, I'm a pretty photo. Let's go play. I don't want to play with you because I'm mean and scary. Well, as you can see, I have a little bit too much fun with my photos, but we've got everything looking nice now.
Epson. Exceed your vision.